We are back on the train again, but this time we will consider two observers, one on the train and one on the platform. Briefly, before I do that, I will define an observer. Here is a frame of reference. James is the observer on the platform. This is the XYZ frame of reference. This is a formal definition. An observer is an individual dedicated to using a particular frame of reference for recording events. The observer will use the XYZ frame and a time for recording an event. When we say observer, we mean somebody who uses accurate measuring equipment. In the observer's frame of reference, there is an event, indicated by the red arrow. Let us say the event is a flash of light lasting 1/1000th of a second. This is common in photography. By definition, an event is an instantaneous occurrence at a particular point in space and time. Let us conduct two experiments using the moving train. Number 1. We will fire some balls at each other to see how they are observed by someone traveling on the train. Later, we will see what an observer records while standing on the platform. The first experiment, observed by someone traveling on the train. The train is moving at a steady 20 meters per second to the right. We have two guns, which will fire a red and a blue ball. Each gun has a velocity of 20 meters per second, the same as the train. The stopwatch is set to 0. This is the situation after 4 seconds. I have arranged it so that the velocity of the balls is the same as the velocity of the train. This makes it easy to visualize for the first instance.